Hey guys, look what I got. Yes sir, this is Chicken Mojito Tacos made on the Blackstone. I got the recipe coming up real soon, so stay tuned. We're going to do the marinade, and we're going to do my famous mojito lime marinade for the chicken. So as you can see here, this is from Grill Masters, McCormick, and you can get it at Walmart. And so I'm going to show you how to mix this. It's pretty simple. What we're going to need is some oil, just a quarter cup. Then we're going to use apple cider vinegar, and this is Mother's, which we're going to go ahead and use on this recipe. And then we're also going to use 2 tablespoons of water. It's a real simple recipe. Just got to follow the directions that are right back here. And then we're going to go ahead and put it in the fridge to kind of marinate it overnight to have those flavors just sink right in. So let me show you how it's done. So I already went ahead and put the quarter cup of oil in here, and I also put 2 tablespoons of water in here. So now what it's asking us is to put 2 tablespoons of apple cider. So here we go. So we're going to do, there's 1, and there's 2. Put this right back, make sure it's wiped clean, and then we're just going to mix it in a little bit. And now we're going to go ahead and take the package, open it up, mix it here, and make sure that we stir it. Alright, so we're going to set this to the side. So now what we have here, is chicken breast, about almost 3 pounds. We're going to use it all, and what I want to do is I want to flatten it out. So if you do have a mallet that you can flatten out, great. I don't happen to have one here, so I'm going to go ahead and be creative. We're going to use this plastic bag. We're going to go ahead and take one of these chicken breasts, put it in there. I'm going to use a rolling pin in order to smash it down. So this is going to help it to cook faster. Alright. Now we're going to get another chicken breast. Put that to the side. We're going to flatten them all out first. So we're done with the rolling pin. It keeps rolling back on me here. So we're going to set this bag to the side because that's where we're going to put the marinade in. So right now what I want to do is just kind of, I'm going to cut this chicken in strips. So I'm going to go just slightly against the grain here. We're going to cut it even smaller once we get to the grill. Okay, now that it's all cut, put it in the bag here. I'm using this clean hand to hold the bag because I don't want to touch the outside that's full of chicken for obvious reasons. When you're messing with chicken, you want to make sure that your station's always clean, don't cross-contaminate. Now we want to go ahead and that juice, that marinade that we fixed, all you're going to do is just pour it inside here. Pour it all inside there. And then what we want to do is just kind of zip it up. You hear zipping. Take a little bit of air out. Now that's all zipped up, and you want to go ahead and just move the bag around so all those yummy, delicious juices get everywhere. So now what we're going to do is purge a little bit more of the air out. And now it's ready to sit in the refrigerator, and we're going to go ahead and let it sit because tomorrow we're going to go ahead and cook these nice, delicious chicken mojo tacos. Alright, stay tuned. So one way to support our channel is by giving us a thumbs up in our video, because then the algorithm of YouTube will be able to share this with others. So we appreciate that in advance. And another way that you can support our channel is by checking out our merchandise. Down below in our description, you're going to see Linktree, and in there it's got multiple different places of merchandise that we carry that you can support us. If you like this shirt and many other shirts that I've been wearing throughout some of the videos, check out the link below. So here's my marinated chicken that I let it sit overnight. This is going to be our Fiesta cheese blend that we're going to be using for the topping. And then here's some of the toppings that we're going to be having. I'm going to be roasting some garlic, onions, put that on the grill. Then we have our salsa, lettuce, and cilantro. We love cilantro. And then of course we have here our flour tortillas that we're going to be putting on the top of the grill, heat it up a little bit. And then these are our taco holders, which are pretty great to have. So overall, it's real basic and simple. Don't forget salt and pepper and our olive oil. So now we're going to go ahead and preheat the grill, which it has been. And let's see here, we actually put some oil. So this one's reading 465, 463. And then this one I'm putting a little lower so like that it could won't be so hot. So that one's about 431. I'm actually going to put it a little lower. So the first thing I want to do is, we already oiled it. We're actually going to put a little bit more oil. And now we're going to take the chicken. Spread it out. I'm going to put a little bit of pepper. And put some salt in there. We want to make sure we spread it out. And so what we're going to do is we're going to wait until it cooks a little bit more, and then we're going to go ahead and chop it up a little bit more than what it is now. But I do want to blacken it. It smells delicious, guys. So what we're doing is our tacos mojito chicken, which is delicious, and we're going to keep it simple. Don't forget, one way to support us is through our merchandise and stuff like this, like our 3D shirts. If you like what you see and you want to buy one, then go down to the description below and check out the tree link, and you'll see the website and where you can go ahead and take advantage. And there might be a special where you can get a discount. As you can see here, this one looks pretty. I am outside, so please forgive me. My neighbor happens to be pressure washing today, and so if you hear that noise in the background, that's what it is. You may hear a bird once in a while, but it's a beautiful day here in Florida. But I tell you what, what's even more beautiful is these chicken. That's going to be beautiful in our tacos. In fact, not only you can do this on the Blackstone, but you could also do it inside your home. So it's just a concept that we're giving you that you can do it wherever you want. But on the Blackstone, it's so much better. All right, let's see here. We're going to give it a little bit more before we flip them. Once I flip it, then what we're going to do is we're going to put the garlic and the onions to start grilling that time, because it's pretty fast and easy when it comes to these tacos. And what we're going to do is we're going to put our grilled onions over here, a little bit of oil. want to put some salt and pepper. Make that cook for a little bit. Now we'll go ahead and start chopping. Okay, you guys are going to love this recipe. Like I said, we only had smell-o-vision. Oh my goodness. All I know is my mouth is drooling. All right, so we're going to let that cook a little bit longer. I like to have it nice and toasty. These onions look like they're almost done, and the garlic, so we're going to go ahead and scoop them out. Why don't you put in the comments below and let me know what's your favorite item to eat on a taco? Or what kind of taco? Is it a shrimp taco? Or is it a smoked fish taco? Or is it an octopus taco? Let me know. Put in the comments below what would you like in a taco? Or what's your favorite? Perhaps one day we can probably try it out here. It's all about food and places. All right, so this looks like it's about done. So I'm going to turn this side off. I'm going to turn him off. We're going to scoop this out. See, that looks pretty when it's nice and little toasty like that, caramelized a little bit. It's getting a little hot. I'm going to I know some of you guys have been waiting for this recipe, so I hope you guys enjoyed. When you guys try the recipe out, please let us know in the comments below and what you think of it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and clean this up so we can go ahead and get some of the tortillas down. So what we want to do is just heat them up a little bit on both sides. We're not going to do it for so long. It's only going to be for a few minutes here. This is about ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and put it on a tray and then put everything together and then let you know how it goes. Here we got them warmed up. So now we're going to go ahead and just put them in this tray. See, this tray makes our job making tacos so much easier. You guys would love it. Actually, there's a set of 6 that comes with this. And so you can either use this side that has 3 or the other side that has 2. So now, what we're going to do is some of the chicken. Put it here. Then we're going to go ahead and then we're going to take some of the garlic and onions and spread it out. You know, when you guys go to the carnival, street tacos, and they're cooking this garlic and onions out there, oh my goodness. Well, this is what you're smelling, guys. But instead, it's in your own backyard. Okay, so we got plenty of onions there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take some salsa. And you guys can put pineapple too if you want, chunks of pineapples. I did last time, and oh my goodness, that was delicious. And now we're going to take some lettuce. I'll be calling my wife out here to be a taster off camera. And let's not forget the cilantro. So there you go. There's our street tacos. Look at here. I forgot about the cheese. Gotta have the cheese, guys. There we go. Now it looks complete. Here's the tacos, all three. These are street tacos with mojito, chicken tacos. I got my official taste tester. She's off camera. She'll let me know how I did. So Kim, what do you think? And don't be nice just because I'm your husband. But here you go.
They're very good. A lot of flavor. And I like the different textures. So, good job.
I think maybe a little bit more salsa or something like that would be ideal. Well, guys, if you like what you saw, again, please give us a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, tell your friends. And don't forget, our merchandise down below is one way to support us. Check it out, there's some cool things in there. Check out our latest videos because we're gonna be having some cool ones coming up real soon. And but at least you can check these out. All right, see ya.